Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Frankincense have been used for centuries to promote both beauty and wellness. Frankincense benefit include the ability to strengthen skin and improve its tone, elasticity, and defense mechanisms against bacteria and blemishes. Frankincense have anti-inflammatory and even tissue remodeling properties. For these reasons, it's often added to acne treatments, anti-aging products, and formulas to combat hyperpigmentation. Frankincense incorporates terpenes, which detoxifies and controls sebum levels in the skin. It can benefit people with oily and acne-prone skin. Frankincense increases skin elasticity, improves signs of photoaging, and promotes skin firmness. Today I'm gonna share with you a very cool recipe that will help you to fight wrinkles and get rid of all skin problems. Well, let's get started. All we need here is 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of frankincense. Put the frankincense in the water and let it soak overnight. Now, you filter the frankincense water in a strainer and put it in a saucepan. Add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 1 teaspoon of rice powder to this water. And then put in a low heat. And mix well until you get a creamy texture. Let it cool down and then add few drops of vitamin E and mix well. Put your cream in a jar and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it daily before sleeping on clean face. So, clean your face and then apply this cream and go to sleep. In the morning, wash your face with your lotion, and that's it. You will get an amazing results in a few days. Just try it and you won't regret it. And don't forget to give your opinion in the comments below. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.